Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. The Toyota Corolla, one of the world's most well-known vehicles, has been given a midlife revive. In 2018, Toyota sent off the 12th age of its Corolla, which returned the renowned nameplate to the UK, supplanting the Auris. Both the hatchback and touring sports domain adaptations highlighted half-breed innovation lifted from the large-selling Prius, and Toyota has now changed it further to offer more power. One self-charging mixture powertrain is accessible in either 1.8 or 2.0-liter Pretense, with the two choices getting more power. The Prius now creates 138 bhp while the last option has been tuned to convey 193 bhp. Both are as yet mated to a CVT-programmed gearbox driving the front wheels. The 1.8-liter model's 0 to 62 miles per hour speed increase time presently remains at 9.2 seconds, while the 2.0-liter will finish similar run in 7.5 seconds. Notwithstanding the expansion in execution, CO2 discharges stay unaltered at 102 grams per kilometer for the 1.8-liter model and 107 grams per kilometer for the 2.0-liter. Toyota likewise says the Corolla ought to feel more refined thanks to a recalibrated choke setup and facilitate refinements to powertrain commotion under speed increase, making it calmer. It's not simply under the metal where the Corolla has been given an update, as the outside has been softly overhauled as a component of this round of updatist. The grille has another example. The headlights have a new, bi-LED, plan and there are new compound wheel choices as well. There's likewise another determination of outside paint tones to look over. Once more the Corolla will be accessible in GR Sport trim, which adds new 18-inch composite wheels, an updated front and back guard as well as new seat design plan and GR logos in the headrest. For the present, the GR Sport will be the most engaged Corolla that anyone could hope to find in the UK, as the brand has framed that the GR Corolla Hot Portal won't go at a bargain in Europe. There's no word on estimating for the refreshed Corolla right now, yet it'll go on special toward the beginning of 2023.